And you asking me examples, Arnab Goswami?
So tell me, Mr. Siddharth
Come on to your second question,
no,
sir.
1 second, one minute. You've given me all these. 1 minute.
This deafening
Why
silence
is
on Ramdev?
if
I would like to know from you why this deafening silence on Ramdev?
Exactly the point. When Ramdev actually mocks the Dalits, Siddharth Nath Singh, why is your party justifying him? Your party rationalized his conduct. Mr. Modi has been silent on it. In fact, he's quietly endorsed it.
Tell me.
And Siddharth Nath, do you want me to give you the list of atrocities committed on Dalits in Gujarat? Shall I give it to you? I got a whole list of them. So this is nothing but a pure political stunt being created prior to voting on May 7th and May 12th in Uttar Pradesh.
BSP and Mayawati on secular vote should not be divided. He has not even. Please answer me, Mr. Bhadoria. The deafening silence of Mayawati that the secular vote should not be divided. That means the Muslims are secular and non-secular, or they are the only people who are secular.
Tell me,
You answer me.
Narendra Modi
What I had to say as a spokesperson, I said it. What my other people had to say, we have said it.
Please tell me, Mr. Siddharth Nath
What he
Singh,
had to
please
say,
tell me why he is trying to denigrate the Dalit women.
What he
and
had to
Mr.
say on many
Narendra
issues,
Modi
yes.
is
But you must,
All I know,
Mr. Bhadoria, you must answer the Tilak, Tarazu or Talwar. Joote maro inko char.
you want to bring the election down to this.
Please answer.
Must answer that first to all of us.
This
Why
is-
you change from Tilak, Tarazu or Talwar, maro joote inko char?
Narendra Modi to come on an open debate on any such issue. I challenge Mr. Narendra Modi to come on any debate on any issue. But he should answer first on the deafening silence on the dignity and self-respect of Dalit women.
I will.
Yeah, absolutely.
The day your lady Mayawati stops reading from the paper, we'll be in a debate with her.
No, that's no answer to the question. I'd like to remind you, Siddharth, please.
Siddharth is-
Keep calm on all sides. 1 minute. No, Sudhindra Badoria. Sudhindra Badoria. Sudhindra Badoria, please now. You know, your leader also hasn't done something great by asking what Narendra Modi's caste is. Kya wo Nai hai, kya wo Kushwaha hai. You are also bringing it down to caste level politics. So don't try and take a high moral ground on that. I am
disrespected.
I am asking. No. Why, by the way?
Then certainly we will hit
Mr.
back.
Badoria,
We will
Mr.
hit
Badoria,
back
now
and
please, I
hit
request you
back
to calm down.
in a very strong manner.
मैं दलित की बेटी हूँ, nobody says.
Magar, you know, Siddharth, you know, your party had said that we will not do the politics of caste and religion. Rajnath Singh is your party president. Please listen to me. Siddharth, Rajnath Singh is your party president, and your party president kept saying we will never do politics on caste and religion. We will not do politics on caste and religion. Prakash Javadekar said we will seek votes in the name of the country. Then Rajnath Singh said once again in April 2014, we will not do politics on caste and religion. We would rather lose the election than do politics on caste and religion. And today, therefore, I must ask you this question, Siddharth Nath Singh, and the question goes to you. Here to Sunil Alagh as well. It's very convenient, transparent to everybody. Western Uttar Pradesh, you do elections on the basis of caste. You want to fight Azam Khan versus Amit Shah. Caste is the dividing factor. You talk about Mullah Mulayam out there. You talk about every single issue which has a religious overtone out there. You talk about revenge. You go to riot hit areas and you talk about revenge. Then you say you've been misinterpreted. So question is, Western Uttar Pradesh, you talk about caste. Eastern Uttar Pradesh, you talk Western Uttar Pradesh, you talk about religion. Eastern Uttar Pradesh, you talk about caste. Who corrupted the debate? Who corrupted the debate?
You know, unfortunately, this time I am turning around. Every single leader of every party has completely destroyed the
Sunil will answer BJP's conduct. Stop. No, listen, don't answer on our behalf. 1 minute.
1 second.
You can't make a sweeping generalization.
Come on, let me finish saying.
You comment on the BJP.
Why will I comment only? I'm saying every leader of every party which includes the BJP. I am talking about what has happened in this particular election. What did Son? 1 second.
You tell me by what schedule is Chaiwala a caste?
No, Chaiwala is not a caste.
So why is caste angle being given here?
It is given in this particular one is because of what? 1 second.
So where?
Can I just finish 1 second?
Yes.
Again, if you look at every single comment that Mr. Modi has made or Sonia Gandhi has made or anyone has made, If you want to interpret it in a manner that you wish to, by all means do it. I will tell you, because
Who's interpreting?
one second. So when Sonia Gandhi told that Imam that, look, what we do not divide the secular vote, which means only Muslims
Am
are
I
secular.
talking about religion? Did we not criticize them then? But you stood apart.
One second. Therefore, I'm saying if Mr. Modi has made an error in understanding what Priyanka has said, Priyanka should just come out and say it's wrong. That will be the end of the debate.
Can I tell you the truth?
Modi never does anything inadvertently.
Right.
Modi does everything very consciously.
Absolutely.
Initially began in UP that I want to bring UP the Gujarat model of development. That did not really work.
Yes.
So finally they had to bring in religion and Ram Mandir, and now they have brought in caste. Because the so-called that fake notion of Gujarat model and the fake notion of Gujarat growth did not appeal to the voters, and they realized that after the campaign and now remaining 33 seats, that development slogan will not work. So what works?
Look,
what works is
so Kumar, he makes a 1 hour speech.
And the caste
one
remark
line,
will,
1 second.
and the
One
caste
line
remark,
makes a difference.
Caste remark,
yes,
1
it
hour
does.
speech
He
made
tweeted
in a-
about it this morning.
Caste remark will cut into Mayawati's
in
vote is
Amethi,
also his
entire
campaign.
speech was
he
saying
is not attacking Priyanka alone.
Amethi was the lowest
he is
developed
attacking
state of
BSP.
district in India.
Because
He said that.
all the
So what are we
surveys-
talking about? We
I am-
forgot about
I-
everything.
all the surveys show.
Let me come in here.
Please, let me
All the
finish.
surveys show
Let me
that
finish.
Congress may not be able to stop Modi, but BSP can.
All right, so
and because BSP can, he is now
if
attacking
you are
BSP
saying-
via
if you
Priyanka.
are saying
His
that-
attack is
All right,
on Mayawati
are
also,
you
not only
saying-
on Priyanka and
Are you
Congress.
saying that
Well,
today the country with
Arnab,
one
can I tell
line,
you what's happened?
with one line, just one last
Okay,
point, Sanjay,
okay.
with one line of Modi in one speech in Amethi, the whole nation is now going to arise and vote for it.
No.
What nonsense is this,
yesterday.
But why did
No,
he
one
give
minute.
up
I'll give it.
the development.
Mr. Ketkar, can
Why
I?
did he give up the
But he
development
didn't. In
agenda?
Amethi, he attacked on the
Calm down,
development
No, but
first.
later on he's bringing in
Calm down,
caste.
both.
Come on,
I'll
this is
give
not-
you yesterday in
unfortunate,
yesterday in
that's all.
Amethi. What's unfortunate?
It's unfortunate that first I'm saying
Sunil,
that all
Sunil, now
leaders.
that you have
one second.
finished.
It's unfortunate that Mr. Modi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka, everyone has actually made this election a complete.
Who spoke about caste?
Who
Where
spoke
did
of-
caste come?
No, where
Give
did-
me one comment
Sunil,
where caste
Sunil,
came.
you
Give
can't
me
say
one-
Mr.
one-
Narendra Modi on this
second,
issue.
one second.
Discussing
Where-
Priyanka
just
Gandhi.
one second.
We are
I wanna make a
discussing
point on
Priyanka Gandhi's statement.
Where in the
is
puppy
caste
remark
in
did
Priyanka's
Muslims come?
statement?
I read
We are
out-
discussing.
Where in the puppy remark
can I
did
make a
Muslims come?
statement?
But
Just
we
me, just
we are
one
not
round.
Can I tell you one at a
We are
time?
not
Just one
discussing
minute.
Amit Shah.
Just one
We are
minute.
not discussing Manishankar
One at a time,
Ayers.
one at a
We are
time.
discussing
One at a
Priyanka
time.
Gandhi's statement. Where is the caste
Look,
factor?
Kumar, we all know English. When you say that I will not hurt a puppy,
Can we have you listening for a
So
minute?
we are discussing
Then we
Priyanka
Sunil
Gandhi's
Alak-
statement now.
Sunil Alak,
misinterpreted.
can you just listen for a minute? The
Yeah.
point I want to make, Arnab, what's really happened? Yesterday, after all the hype when he gave his speech, I think what has really rattled Mr. Modi, he did not expect it, but within hours, there was a statement sent out by Priyanka Gandhi that attacked him and said that you will get a strong rebuttal from the people of Amethi.
never
1 minute.
apologized. She
Mr.
never
Modi,
clarified.
we all know, has an extremely monumental, sensitive ego. So today, this morning, he's woken up to see, can he somewhere or the other twist any word and try and make political capital
Sanjay,
out of
she
it?
said
And
I
I'm
didn't
glad
mean
we
it,
are
the matter
discussing
would-
this
yeah,
today.
I'm
Let
just
me tell
saying,
you,
if she had said I
what
didn't
India
mean it,
is
matter
seeing
comes to an
this
end.
evening,
Why
what
didn't you say
India is seeing this evening, Sunil Alak, is a monstrous ego of a man who is nothing short of a megalomaniac,
Even
who's
Priyanka's
already
ego
sworn
is
himself
there.
in
Why
as a
didn't she
prime
just
minister,
say, I didn't mean it?
whose
I
ego
mean,
is fragile
misinterpreted.
and hurt because Priyanka Gandhi snubbed him
May- may-
yesterday
may I-
and said you'll get an absolutely resounding verdict
That-
on May 16th that will
Yeah,
tell you
okay, fine,
that
yeah,
your
it doesn't make a
candidate in
difference
Amethi is
to
going
me.
to lose their
One
security
second,
deposit.
all I'm saying
I think it is that
why
much
did
on
you,
demonstration.
Priyanka, why didn't Priyanka say I've been misinterpreted?
No, no,
Excuse me.
One line.
Excuse
I
me,
find
we're
it-
not going to
You're talking about
respond to
ego.
any
You're talking about an ego then.
any
Don't
ludicrous,
talk about an
any
ego, yeah.
ridiculous statement of Mr. Modi.
No, no, no.
We have a job to do.
I like Sanjay Jha. 1 second. I like Sanjay Jha when he pontificates without having any firm base to pontificate on. And I have seen here, Sanjay, that in the course of the last 30 minutes, you have taken a very high moral ground. Maybe I am imagining. Maybe the Congress party does not do caste politics. Maybe it was not the UPA cabinet which cleared reservations for castes in government jobs despite objections from the National Commission for Backward Classes. Maybe it didn't.
You're talking about what? The
Maybe
4.5%?
Jairam Ramesh did not say that we will make a Dalit the Chief Minister of Telangana. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you don't do these caste politics.
Well, let me tell you.
No,
end
maybe
of day,
you don't.
End of day, when political leaders talk about representation, and give, you know, 1 minute, to give Dalits or the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe representation or reservations.
So why did?
I mean, this is an issue which is being
simple
discussed all the
Listen,
time.
people across
But
the
this
country
is-
are watching
but let
tonight.
me tell you.
No, to
Let me tell you.
puncture your argument.
1 minute.
Because your
But this
argument
is
needs
brazen.
to be your argument, and what is brazen and what is not brazen. And let me tell you, I think it's very important that your argument. Once again, Sunil Alak, please pay some attention.
No, one last line.
No,
You know
please.
what he said today, what Mr. Modi has said today? I've got the quote.
Mr. Alak,
he
what are you
said
looking in
that
your phone?
Hindus and Muslims should fight poverty and not each other. This is his statement today. But we will not highlight that. We will continue to fight about what
Shall
he
I
said
read
in
out to
Amethi.
you the laundry list of statements
Yeah,
that have
fair
been
enough,
made by
fair
him, by Amit Shah?
Yeah, okay.
Shall I tell you all about
not
telling
about Amit
people
Shah,
to
we are
pack
only
their
talking about
bags,
Mr. Modi,
which has, by the
let's
way,
stick
been
to Mr.
instrumental
Modi.
in leading
Let's stick to
to
only
a
Mr.
communal violence in
Let's stick
Assam?
to Mr. Modi only.
Come on.
And we want to bring in everybody else we can.
With your permission, Mr. Sunil Alak, and I'm glad that you're looking into your phone for help and assistance
No,
with
to get the
dictionary.
quotes.
Well, you can look at the dictionary as well.
But you got the Indian Express.
You
Why
can
can't I give
you
his
can look
quote?
at the dictionary meaning of lowly as well.
No,
One second.
fair enough, but what did he say today?
Low
Why
level
not-
argument.
At least he is saying something today. Why are you not highlighting that?
Because I think it's important to bust the Congress party's high moral ground being taken here today. Maybe Rahul Gandhi does not talk about caste, right? So which is why when he was with Sam Pitroda, he says that Sam Pitroda is a Vishwakarma, a Barahi. Why did he say that?
Well, let me
Why
tell
did
you.
he? No, 1 minute. When
Okay, you finish.
Siddharth,
Sam Pitroda, that he is a backward. You're
I'm a-
forgetting Mr. Arnab Goswami.
Mr. Siddharth
Sam
Nath
Pitroda
Singh,
was
it's
introduced
one
as a
thing to
backward by
talk
Rahul
about
Gandhi.
an inspirational
And let me
model,
also tell
an
you
individual.
that Azamgarh was not
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, I hope you are aware that the
Azamgarh
Dalits in this
happened
country
from 2008
have been the
when
biggest
Amit Shah
victims
was
of
not there in the
social
UPC,
and economic
and a lot of people
and
have
policy.
spoken
don't
about
pontificate.
No, 1 minute.
No, one.
They have been victims in our
Siddharth,
society.
please allow me
1
to finish
minute.
my question
So
to
if-
Siddharth, to Sanjay Jha.
and
So if there is
therefore
somebody
you
who's an
went to photo
inspirational
op,
model,
and
that's
therefore
fine.
you went
I am
That is not playing politics.
I am asking you. I am asking you why.
That is exactly what you people
This
have
was in the run-up to the 2012 Uttar Pradesh elections, when Rahul Gandhi invoked not just the caste but the subcaste of Sam Pitroda. When you can invoke not just the caste but the subcaste of Sam Pitroda, then how can you say today that appealing to caste sentiments is the sole preserve of Narendra Modi? Please answer that question.
I'm answering it.
Please
For
answer the
1
question,
minute.
or you can plead guilty.
Well, let me tell you. If one studies the history of the Indian caste system, and
Come
it's
on
very
now,
it's
please,
very
no,
obvious
no,
now
that
where we
Dalits in India have been at the receiving end. They need protection, they need reservations, they need the support of the government. Let me explain. Now, if there is somebody who's battled all odds.
You admit you play caste
1
politics,
minute.
right? You admit,
Who's 1 minute.
you
Who's a
admit you
model
play
of
caste
success?
politics.
Sam Pitroda, by the way,
No, no.
is really revolutionized technology and telecom in India.
Sam Pitroda,
and he's
or
battled
Sam Pitroda,
odds. He's battled odds.
No, Sam Pitroda or Sam Pitroda, the person who is a Barahi, a Vishwakarma from the carpenter caste. Is that?
But that's a fact.
No, but is that?
That's a fact.
Why was it highlighted?
We are discussing facts.
Why was it highlighted
What you're
before the
discussing
2000
today? 1 minute.
Why was it highlighted before the Uttar Pradesh election?
To let the people over
So
Uttar
it was an
Pradesh
invocation
know.
to caste?
No, not at all. It's to tell what is possible.
It was an invocation to
No,
subcaste.
it is to let people know that you can break through those barriers.
And if you say Sam Pitroda as an individual has broken through the barriers, it will not have the political impact.
So has Modi.
Well, let me tell you, isn't
so
it
has Modi
inspirational?
broken
So
through
you
all
use
barriers.
It is inspirational.
So you use
no.
So has Modi
By the
broken
way,
through all barriers.
Sam
He's a chaiwala who's from the
Sunil
backward
Alak,
caste. That's
Sam
what-
Pitroda is a model of inspiration, not just for the Dalit
but
community,
it may
but
not-
for all Indians. So
look-
let us not try and make this into a narrow parochial
No,
discussion.
we are not
But
making it into a narrow parochial
Arnab,
thing,
what
yeah.
we are talking about here today is a man who wants to be Prime Minister, twisting things away in a very warped manner to make a political statement 5 days before a general election. This is serious business we are talking
So
about.
you can do anything confidentially, and in a confidential communication to all Pradesh Congress chiefs which got leaked, it was made quite obvious that all Pradesh Congress committee chiefs were asked to give a demographic and caste-wise, sub-caste-wise breakup of each constituency with a list of candidates, aspirants, their castes and sub-castes.
Oh,
you
boy.
tell me what kind of politics is that?
Well, let me tell you
That's
something.
caste politics or that's reality?
Can I tell you something?
You have a monopoly over it?
No, can I tell you something?
You have a monopoly over
Can I tell
caste
you
politics?
something? To understand your voter constituency, to understand the profile of your voters is
Oh,
your
please.
responsibility. I mean, come come on.
So
you have to know. 1 minute. If there is somebody fighting an election, he has to know what is the distribution of 1 minute.
So
the profile of your constituency
so the
is
only
basic.
difference-
Is basic fundamental
So the
knowledge.
only difference-
By the way, let me
the
tell you,
only
in a
difference-
US election,
Yeah.
the US president actually goes ahead and in a very intelligent, in a very transparent way, does appeal to certain sections of society which need to be talked to to help their
So,
help
ladies
their
and
cause.
gentlemen, here's my
But it does
conclusion.
not.
Here's
But
my-
it does not.
Here's-
But what you are witnessing in India
Well,
today
what
is somebody saying, I am being run down. Now, let me tell you what Modi said today. Modi said, I am being targeted. Nobody's targeted him. He said, I am being
he
targeted.
feels he's been
He wants to
targeted.
appear a
He
victim.
feels he's
He says,
been
I
targeted,
am
yes.
from this caste.
what basis?
1 minute.
No, 1 second.
1 minute.
1 second.
He's saying, 1 minute. Sunil Lala, give me a minute.
Okay.
He alleges that this was a statement made by Priyanka Gandhi, which is absolutely a blatant lie.
Fine.
I think we are discussing here not just what Modi said. We are discussing morality. We are discussing ethics.
Okay,
we are
Sanjay,
talking about the decency of a man.
Sanjay, can I just...
Can I please go to my panelists who are outside and come back to you? The bottom line is this. Siddharth and Ajay Alok. Ajay hasn't been in the debate much, so I'm going to get Ajay into this. The worry here, Ajay, and you can comment on this, is that perhaps Mr. Narendra Modi feels it's not going to be politically effective enough to say that I am a person who from being a chaiwala has risen to where I am and I'm aspiring to be Prime Minister of India.